Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, we're going to review on a product that most of you probably don't know exists. I didn't know it existed until just a couple weeks ago. It is John Deere carpet stain remover. I don't know why they would have a carpet stain remover. I don't think any of their big combines or lawnmowers and stuff have carpet, but we were told that it works really well. We have tested it. It works really good, and we're going to show you guys how well it works. Let's do it. Okay, so my wife, who works at John Deere, by the way, a local John Deere here, she's going to be doing the cleaning this time. I'm actually on the camera, so she's going to go ahead. We're going to clean this section here. You can see all these stains. This is a cheaper way of cleaning your carpets versus buying the carpet and upholstery cleaner by Adams or somebody else like Griots. This is a cheaper version, and it works really well. And she's going to scrub it with
show them the other side. I've already done.
Interior brush. I can't. The kids are right here. My wife already did this side, and it had tons of stains on it. As you can see, it looks good. She's just going to scrub away. Now this does have a, what would you call that smell?
Cleaning?
Yeah, like a cleaning smell. It's nothing that's gonna like take your breath away or anything, but it's like a cleaning aerosol smell, if that makes sense. And this driver's side is really bad. So we'll just see what this stuff does on the driver's side, because I'm still seeing some brown, but I know it works good because the other side looked really bad too. This Jeep is kind of a rare situation. I've never ever in its life been cleaned. And if you've never watched any of my videos, I bought this car for $400, had a blown engine. At my work, the lady came in, had a blown engine, she didn't want it no more, and she was going to take it to the junkyard. They were going to give her $400, so I gave her $400. And I got an engine for it, rebuilt an engine completely, top to bottom, and put it in. That's out of a 2010 model. And this is an 06, so that's why I have a car that has all these stains, because this isn't really normal for me. Okay, gotta just wipe it up real good with the towel. Pretty nasty.
Did really good right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
You still
well, these darker stains are where like all winter long, you know, people's shoes are nasty, and this might permanently be stained. I mean, it definitely looks better. Let's do this right here. So let's show them this. You see all these dark spots?
May I have the cleaner, please?
Yeah, hang on, I don't want you to spray it yet. All these dark spots right here on the carpet. Let me show it. Okay, go ahead. Be good. I know it works really well on these. And we're still planning on shampooing the carpet with our carpet shampooer, but we're trying to get the tough stains out first. Because I don't have a big expensive Automotive shampooer or big expensive steam cleaner. I have a cheap steamer. I have a cheap home carpet cleaner, which works well. We're just trying to get the majority of the stains up right now by hand before we use the carpet cleaner. My daughter keeps whispering in my ear, "Daddy, it smells good." I don't think it smells very good, to be honest with you. Okay, let's wipe that section up right there. That looks good. I don't see any of the brown anymore. Let's see what it looks like after it's wiped up.
It just smells like a regular cleaning product.
Okay, let me see what the stain was. Remember where all those were right there? The carpet looks really good. Looks brand new, really. It's gonna look really good when we get done after shampooing the carpet. We got any more stains? Yeah, we do. Let me get out. Sorry, this video was not planned in any way, so we're just kind of going with it. Right here. Nope. Right here. See all that brown right there? There we go. Ashlyn, get out of the way. Get out of the way. I want you getting... Oh, my phone just went off. I'm just surprised how well this carpet cleaner worked after she did that whole right side, passenger side the other night. I was really, really surprised. And these stains you're seeing right now are going to be underneath the seat. Yes, you're not going to see them, but once we took the seats out, yeah, we wanted to get it clean. Do what? Are you ready to ride in Mommy's new Jeep?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wants more leg room.
Yeah. He's tired. That boy's growing. He's going to be tall like me. And little Grand Am, he doesn't fit in too well.
I do.
That looks really good.
I fit in the Grand Am.
You do fit in the Grand Am?
And I'll probably fit in this Jeep, too.
Looks good. Good man. All those stains are gone right there.
Yeah.
Telling you guys, if you haven't ever tried John Deere's carpet stain removal, it is a very good product. Let's try one more spot.
Hey, look.
Right here where people get in and out is really dark. I want to do just around here.
Daddy.
Right there. Yeah, actually, I see it. We're trying to do a video. Got a lot of shadows in here right now. Are you applying a lot of pressure?
Not a lot.
Like medium?
Yeah.
Right in the middle?
I'm scrubbing. I'm not killing myself.
My daughter's digging having no back seat in here. Seat cushion.
Very bad.
Okay, let me show this one. It looks so good. Look at that. All that brown is gone. That stuff works very, very well. Okay, so after using the John Deere carpet cleaner, or what's it called?
John Deere carpet cleaner.
Carpet stain remover. I want to make sure I said it right. Carpet stain remover. And then we used our carpet cleaner that we use for the home. Has an adapter so you can do it by hand. This is as good as it's going to get. It turned out excellent in our opinion because compared to what we started with, I mean it looked terrible. I mean, it looks really good.
Let me open the hatch.
We were really happy. Yeah, we'll go ahead and open the hatch. We're very, very happy about this. Yeah, we got shocks coming for this, or struts. No struts. That big stain that was back here, if you remember my first video, it's gone.
The one that was right there.
Yep, the one right across there. There's a little bit trace of, very small trace of it left. But this is what we use for the house. It's made by Bissell. It's been a good little machine. See, I mean, definitely these are going to be the hardest because this is where the driver was always at. Dirty shoes. But it looks, I mean, look at this. This looks brand new. Now let me show you how nasty everything was. This started out like this, clear. And that's what we removed. But we are extremely happy about this. It looks really, really good. Who would have known John Deere makes carpet stain removal, but remover. There's the bottle. There's the part number probably, TY16403. It is 18 ounce in an aerosol can, and she's done a lot of carpet, and I bet you it's still 3/4 of the way full. So this is gonna last a long time. Like I said, it does not have an overwhelming scent. It is kind of strong, an aerosol smell, kind of like a, and you can just tell it's a cleaner. It's not like the carbon upholstery cleaner that I used in my last video where you couldn't smell it at all. You are gonna smell with this, but this is $6. And you could do the whole, you could probably get 2 cars out of this, all the carpet, versus the carpet upholstery cleaner. I did 2.5 seats and it's pretty much empty. So this right here, John Deere carpet stain remover. If you have a John Deere dealership near you, swing by, pick it up. It's cheap, it works very well, and I highly recommend it. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're down there, hit that little bell so every time I upload a video you get notified, and we will just see you next time.